Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you? How's everything? Today we will talk about use models to compare fractions, same denominator. Lesson 13.3. Let's watch the video to understand, and then we will solve some questions.
How can you compare fractions with the same denominator? Think about this question during the lesson. Two banners with positive messages are the same size. One banner is 4/6 yellow, and the other banner is 2/6 yellow. Which is greater, 4/6 or 2/6? Remember, comparisons are valid or true only if they refer to the same sized whole. How are 4/6 and 2/6 the same?
So, as we can see, 4/6 of this banner is yellow, and the other one, 2/6 of this banner is yellow. So how are these two fractions the same? They have the same denominator, here 6 and here 6.
Both have the same denominator, or the same total number of equal parts of the whole.
The denominator is the number down under the numerator.
How are 4/6 and 2/6 different?
And how are these two fractions are different? Check, the numerator is 4 and here 2, so they are different in numerator.
Both have different numerators, or different equal parts that are described.
Let's try.
Drag 1/6 strips to make a row that shows 4/6. Then drag 1/6 strips to make a row that shows 2/6.
Okay. We should show here 4/6. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, and 4/6. This is 4/6 and this is 1. And in the second row, we will show 2/6, 1/6, 2/6. So what do you think? Which one is greater? 4/6 is greater.
Use fraction strips to reason about the sizes of these two fractions. 4/6 is 4 of the unit fraction 1/6. 2/6 is 2 of the unit fraction 1/6. So 4/6 is greater than 2/6. Record the comparison using symbols or words. What is the missing symbol?
Select your answer.
So here, we should know how to use these symbols. As I told you before, this sign, the crocodile will eat the greatest number or fraction if it's in this side. If the greater number in this side, the crocodile will eat the greatest number. If they are equal, we use this sign. So in this question, 4/6 is greater. It means 4/6 on the left side. So I will use this sign. I will use this sign.
4/6 is greater than 2/6. If two fractions have the same denominator, the fraction with the greater numerator is the greater fraction.
So here, if I have same denominator, the number in the numerator, which is bigger, the fraction would be bigger.
Now you know how you can compare fractions with the same denominator.
Let's solve questions now. Page 687. In 3 and 4, compare, write less than, greater than, or equal, use fraction strips to help. So here, in question number 3, 2/8, this is 2/8, and this is 1/8. Both of them, they have same denominator, and 2 is greater than 1, so 2/8 is greater than 1/8, so the crocodile will eat the greatest number. Question number 4, 3/6, this shows 3/6, and this shows 5/6. So because 5 is greater than 6, so the crocodile will eat 5/6 because it's greater. Moving to the next questions. Okay, for example, I will solve the question number 13, 3/3 and 1/3. Both of them, they have same denominator, but 3 is greater than 1, so 3/3 greater than 1/3. Let's move to the next page. Question number 21. The picture below show tile designs which shows less than 4/8 of the whole shaded. In part A, we have 4 yellow parts shaded out of 8. But he said which shows less than 4/8. So it's not A. B shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 8, 5/8 of the parts shaded. So it's not B. Part C shows 1, 2, 3/8 parts shaded, and part D shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/8 parts shaded. So the correct answer that shows less than 4/8, which is C, because it shows 3/8. It shows 3/8, which is less than 4/8. Question number 22. These fractions refer to the same whole. Which of these comparisons is not correct? Which one is not correct? Part A, 5/6 greater than 3/6, it's correct. Part B, 3/4 is greater than 2/4, it's correct. Part C, 3/8 is greater than 1/8, it's correct. Part D, 1/3 is greater than 2/3. This is not correct, so choose. The answer is D.